Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry beef soft. First, let's talk about velveting. This simple technique involves marinating your beef with a small amount of baking soda. It works wonders by breaking down the meat fibers, making the beef incredibly tender. This process also helps the beef retain its natural juices, ensuring a succulent texture even after high-heat cooking. Remember to rinse the beef thoroughly after velveting to remove any excess baking soda before proceeding. Next, proper slicing is crucial. Always slice your beef thinly against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making the meat easier to chew. After slicing, marinate the beef for at least 30 minutes, but no longer than 1 hour, to allow the flavors to penetrate. Incorporating a small amount of cornstarch into your marinade creates a protective coating, which locks in moisture and contributes to that desirable silky texture we're aiming for in stir-fry. Now, let's move to the cooking process. High heat is your best friend for tender stir-fry beef. Cook the beef in small batches to ensure the wok or pan stays hot. This allows the beef to sear quickly, developing a delicious crust while keeping the inside juicy. Sear each batch for only about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Overcrowding the pan will lower the temperature, causing the beef to steam rather than sear, resulting in tough meat. Finally, don't skip the resting step. Once your beef is cooked, remove it from the pan and let it rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices, which have been pushed to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the entire piece of meat. This simple step ensures every bite is incredibly juicy and tender. After resting, combine your perfectly tender beef with your stir-fry vegetables and sauce for a truly delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.